Hey there, this is JT News here. This is the 2013 Spyder from Hoyt. We're testing the Starlight Fog Fletching standard model on the Carbon Express Mayhem 350 Aero. It has a 100-gram field point. We're testing the sound quality at closer range compared to long range. I believe closer range will be more quiet. Let's shoot. This is at 40 yards. That felt great. No wiggle, no slop, completely straight. Really great fletching. Let's check it out.